Hi.
She's like, I didn't have storage.
Ages and
I put it
ages.
right next to. I gave them a bag. She realized that this is like
तुम अच्छा छाप रहे हो क्या? तुम्हारा ठीक है?
Yes.
thank you so much. I need a drink. When I need it, Thank you. Can I have a little bit? What is it? Rose. Champagne. It has to be the little bit that has to come in and working on every Cheers. If I could add a chocolate. Very good. What an You want to show us some of your
Hello, how are you? Sorry. I can see actually something similar. They're very cute.
Yeah, that was
Very
a roll.
cute. Yeah.
Hi, Krisha. Nice to meet you. Thanks for coming. I was going to come. Or
She's yet trying to be also busy.
I know with the fashion
So we
week,
just
right?
yeah.
I said, even if they come post, none. Nobody thinks. So I've So yeah, so this is the very dramatic. The whole plot is on that side. So we have to plot on this side. This is even more.
This is for 9. I want Purana Paranda Wala. This is that's Megha's line.
The sauce, the center, that's 2 counters.
Like that. Till we started working here. That's why I didn't say any other thing. Like, you know that Momo shows some shop. Yeah. I have no idea. There is some shop. I have no idea what you're talking about. That Momo shop.
That's the best one. Most best landmark.
That's all for people who come to Bangalore to have a look.
They were amazing, and I could see that one. She was like, "Who is this person?" And I didn't even think that she's your kid.
I'll send it.
She doesn't know who you are.
There's so much competition and that drives so much that but that I've never had the thing this last thing. See, at 12:45, I don't know. Let's get food now. In food. And just 350 people, and I spend. I'm like, after my work of
Come. I'm born in Kabul. This is the
Our train was at 9 o'clock. I had to reach by
Absolutely.
Your designs are always delicate and very sensuous.
Right.
So what are you going to showcase this time with it?
My collection, which I've launched today, is Jewels of the Caribbean, and it's summertime, so it goes with the collection of my clothes. Blue and green, the underwaters, the nature, the wonders of the world. We've just put everything together and made a very wearable collection. The price point is very affordable, and it's a fun collection. People can wear it and travel. You don't have to think for a wedding to wear the stuff. And it's an amalgamation of my designs, from my clothes to my jewelry. It all just blends together.
Okay, the name you have given to your collection is Sea of
The Jewels of the Caribbean.
Sorry, Jewels of Caribbean.
Yes.
So how you just derived that?
I went on a cruise on the Oasis of the Seas, and my trips to Bahamas, Key Ways, the St. Thomas. It was a Caribbean line, and it just so inspired me that I have done the whole collection based on that. So it's very, the whole water, the sand, that whole thing just mesmerized me, and I've just put the whole collection together.
Well, most of the Bollywood celebrities have always been very admirer of your.
Sure, they're part of each collection of
so
me.
who are the celebrities who are just going to
Karishma is the muse for the collection this time. She'll be shortly arriving. So done her the whole blue dress with the green earrings and the same look of the collection. It's nice to have friends to support you. She was even the muse for the last collection I did for Gotham. And I identify with her look, and she identified with the jewelry. So we thought of having her again. And it's a perfect blend between the two.
Okay, Elson, just talking about Elson, Karishma, who are the other celebrities do you think who are very much experimental with their
I think it depends on your look. I worked with a couple of celebs from the industry. I've had Pariniti work for me last time, Sushmita, Vipasha, Sridevi, Manisha for my cancer show. So I just feel really nice of them as friends. They always come in their support and extend their favor to me. And keeping the look in the collection each time, I probably ask the person who identifies with it. So God is kind, they're great people, great friends of mine, and it's always worked out lovely. So
Thank you so much.
thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi.
That's Gautam. We'll take picture there. Okay.
Why?
Okay, come.
Y'all of left. Ma'am, you're right. Y'all of left. Ma'am, center look. Yes, all of you, please. Ma'am, this side, please. Y'all of left, left. Tara, your solo. Tara, you center look. Tara, this side, please. On left. Tara, ji, straight. One here. Tara, ji, straight. Ma'am, center. Look here, look. Yeah, ma'am, left. Center look. खड़े ही ठीक है पड़ो
I'll go in and
At
have a
least
look.
let us see the
Yeah, I'll go
collection.
and have a
Not
look.
Something very strange.
Nice. Can you open this? Actually, these earrings are stunning.
Which one? I'm Saida. Nice to meet you.
Go back.
Navid, Rose?
So lovely.
Okay, get your strawberry martini without alcohol.
Sounds good. Perfect. Thank you. Virgin.
You have a strawberry?
She looks like she has 2 children. I'll child.
I'm running back to my 2 children.
रस्सी लगा
You
के
have 2 children? So that's how you stay the way you are.
But this is pretty, which is what I was telling her. It's the right size. With this dress, not too big.
No,
even Saida was wearing actually.
I saw that in when I walked.
Try it was a size bigger.
Let me try. It's a good place to
After writing on the savings and she had 2 kids.
Oh, wow.
And I had to consider on my show that I have to keep pointing out.
And that.
Thank you.
She showed me that 2 kids.
and she's doing a program and I watch it every week and I keep on thinking.
Yes.
It goes on individual nights.
Yes. Ah, really? Look at that, Navid.
Shut up. Stop it. You're very good. I love you. You know, even jeans and shirt with
About and stuff, and we were in that group. So everyone there. Okay, let me try that.
I love this also.
Yeah, she's showing me that. 6, 7, 9, 5. 6, 7,
साथ में जरा प्लीज थाना जी यहाँ पे मैडम
Now it's time, right?
ये वाइड हटा नहीं आ रही है ये वाइड
शाहरुख राइट
एक्सक्यूज मी हो बहुत प्रिय
मैम राइट
एक मिनट यार हो गया ना अभी चलो लगाओ ना तो पूछ क्वेश्चन पूछ चलो
Both thing I'm ready.
So Tara, Mahika, she's always been very delicate and sensitive with styles with her collection. So what do you have to say about this collection?
I think it's just beautiful, and I mean, I just tried on a piece in there, and as you can see, I'm in green, you know, in a color which really goes with it. So I was very tempted to take them, as in to buy them, but I said I'll come back and look properly. But they're really, really beautiful. So very
Which
impressed.
of the designs you like inside?
I liked, I'm not sure how one describes it, but it's a really beautiful emerald green earring with, so she'll be the best one to describe it, but it's a beautiful piece.
Tara, you yourself have been very fashionable. So which do you think, what kind of jewelry is more comfortable for you to catch up with?
See, I love the stuff here, but I think for me, it depends on the occasion and where you are and what you're doing. And now that I have 2 kids and my show and stuff, in fact, I was just saying that one could even integrate jewelry because young women wear it, but it depends on the occasion. Like if you're going for the children's sports day, you wear something different to if you're going for a wedding or if you're coming here. So I think it depends on the occasion.
what you're doing nowadays, what's in pipeline? Is there any something?
So season 3 of my show, the Tara Sharma Show, Diaries of a New Mom, is starting in May. So I write it, produce it, host it, so it's pretty busy. Yeah. And a little bit some film stuff. I did a little role in $1 Million Arm with John Hamm, so that's exciting. So yeah, so little small things like that, and then the show is predominant right now. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks so much.
थैंक यू
Okay, wish you all a very colorful, happy Holi. Thank you.
Hello, Tara. You know that pastry.
ये अपना यहाँ पर है और शिल्पा
One second.
Excuse me, sir, यहाँ पे please. हाँ, लो.
Sir, yeah, look at center. Yeah.
Yeah, 1 second.
Just take a Martin. No, nobody yet. They are coming after 9. Are you serious? Yeah, my guy told me later. See, I messaged you right now. अभी बीवी थी हमारा बीवी थोड़ा अब अकाउंट Hello, my darling. How are you? I'm good. Very lovely perfume. Right? Okay, one person I'll tell you. मैं कभी भी नहीं करती.
Sorry.
एक सेकंड.
Rishika, एक second. One second. Yeah.
ऋषिका ये पहले
जाके जूम कर लेगा.
ऋषिका जी एक बार फॉलो कर लेते हैं.
यहाँ पे मेरा थोड़ा सा ये चलेगा.
हाँ यहाँ पर.
मैम लुक यार. मैडम यहाँ पे.
मैं यहाँ पर. ऋषिका जी आप.
ये कौन है?
एक सेकंड. मैडम देख.
मैम जिस साइड ये पीछे ना. हाँ सेंटर लोग. मैडम कम हो जाएगा सर. मैडम इस तरह देखिए.
तो यहाँ पर.
मैडम इधर. मैडम.
या मैम यहाँ पे.
I had to message you. This is my fifth call. I finally went. No, I thought morning must be yoga. So I gathered. I would gather when I was getting time. You know how I just call back, follow back, whatever. And I said, for you, it's like,
See the closer look?
it's so easy, you know, I can't tell you. It's damn easy. I want this.
Uncut emerald and the cabochon emerald.
24 is it?
Yes, 24. Definitely. You want to see a gold Chandbari also?
No, one more also.
Because not having a screw.
I think a bracelet and this will look stunning.
Like the
Yeah, same. Like, this is not our liking as much. Older, yeah. When we get DPs, age. This? It's like the Cartier.
That's really great. Mama wears
Right, you give me that there.
So this is the new collection.
5.5. The eyelash and
Even when you see small conflicts,
Basically, just sit down.
this is the matching ring to this. Actually, earring.
करिश्मा जी एक मिनट रुकिए प्लीज। करिश्मा जी, करिश्मा जी आप करिश्मा जी यहाँ पे मैडम।
ट्राई मत कीजिए प्लीज, आराम से कीजिए प्लीज, धक्का मत लीजिए।
मैम यहाँ पे मैम सेंटर एवरीवन सेंटर मैम यहाँ राइट करिश्मा जी यहाँ सेंटर करिश्मा जी यहाँ
everyone, एक मिनट so yeah, all of you here center. Yeah, excuse me, all of you यहाँ पे center. Yeah, excuse me यहाँ पे excuse me, आगे तरफ मैडम थोड़ा सा
अंदर भी ले सकते हो पिक्चर प्लीज।
मैम यार
करिश्मा जी यहाँ पे करिश्मा जी यहाँ पे करिश्मा जी यहाँ पे करिश्मा जी यहाँ राइट करिश्मा जी यहाँ पे करिश्मा जी यहाँ राइट
यहाँ पे excuse me मैडम
अंदर भी बाइक ले सकते हो, अंदर भी ले सकते हो।
इसमें मैम
करिश्मा जी
एक मिनट मत करो, ऐसे ट्राई मत करो।
राइट कर लेते हैं
तो आप लोग कोई नहीं जा पाओगे इसके लिए।
You're damn aggressive. I love you.
Very delicate about her collections and designs.
Yes, absolutely. I think the combination of Gana Singh and Mahika, I think is a wonderful combination. And it's so nice that we're, here together once again. And I'm here because the collection is so beautiful. And I wanted to come and grace the occasion. And I think they're very wearable jewelry. Abhi summer ka mausam aane wala hai. So there's such pretty colors, of emeralds and the lovely blues and very summery and light and wearable jewelry.
But are you freak of jewelry? Are you fond of jewelry? Do you like?
हाँ जी बिल्कुल, हर औरत की तरह मुझे भी पसंद है। तो डे टू डे लाइफ में तो मिलता नहीं है पहनने, लेकिन जैसे ये ओकेजन है तो मुझे पहनने का मौका मिल रहा है।
लड़कियों के लिए अच्छा है कानों में झुमके पहनने, गलों में ornament, हाथ में accessories. But what about guys? How difficult is for a guy to?
Well, I think for men, I think it is a bit more difficult. Cufflinks. But they can wear cufflinks, they can wear a ring. Yeah. So there are options today.
It's just like talking about materialistic things and materialistic buys.
Well, I don't think it's that. I think जब हम ज्वेलरी खरीदते हैं, it is always an investment. तो अगर आपके पास कुछ एक्स्ट्रा पैसे हो, तो वो हम अपने बच्चों के लिए खरीदते हैं या फैमिली के लिए, तो it's always a good investment. Yeah, thank you.
करिश्मा, कभी हम आपको किसी ज्वेलरी की अपनी खुद की लाइन लॉन्च करते हैं?
ओ वाह, आप यहाँ ज्वेलरी पीपल आर हियर, आप इनसे रिक्वेस्ट कीजिए और मैं ज़रूर डिज़ाइन करूँगी। चलो मैं महिका को थोड़ा कंपटीशन दूँ। हाँ, हाँ, एनी टाइम। Yes. तो जैसे मैंने कहा, I think it's a beautiful, the apt word for the summer that's coming. Sure. So I think all the young ladies are going to be enjoying this collection.
Krishma, before you run off, just tell us what are your holy plans? What are you planning to do? And
well, जैसे हर छुट्टी में होता है, I think family के साथ, बच्चों के साथ, तो मैं वेट कर रही हूँ. Happy Holi, everyone. Thank you.
Hi. Are you comfortable? Yeah. And Gautam and Krisha, what do you think? Usually, people think that when you're going on your holiday and this is like a Brazil collection. And you know, why not these beautiful, simple, wearable jewelry, you know? And it's always nice to buy something to take it on holiday. And your hairstyle, my viewers, honestly, I must say that always be yourself. And today, like, you know, when I wore this outfit,
light.
Take it to the collection. It's better than Caribbean. When we were the shot, the dolphins.
You've not seen most of them.
yeah,
For everything, for men as well, we started this thing. With her only, actually, if you ask me, she pushed, let's do cuffing, let's do something for men. I said, okay, let's do it. Exactly, that's what it's about.
And where do we get? We just have like using
Excuse me.
Thank you. Yeah, sure. Just one line. Just call Khushbu. Where's Gauri?
Madam,
किसका भैया लाइट अंदर को
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
सही कह रहा था, अभी भटक रहा बीच में।
क्या कर रहे हो आप?
Excuse me, excuse me.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Yeah, yeah.
Hey. Bye.
for your wife?
Whenever she wants, I purchase, or sometimes she just takes money and buys it.
But is she materialistic in life?
No, absolutely not. She's as real person like me. We are very middle class and we have a lot of middle class value. But obviously, ज्वेलरी जो होती है जो एक हर औरतों को अच्छा लगता है और जो वाइफ कहती है कोई दशहरा हो चाहे दिवाली हो कोई ऐसा त्यौहार हो या बर्थडे हो तो डेफिनेटली वो शी बाइज एंड जितना हो सकता है हम अच्छी से अच्छी ज्वेलरी खरीदते कोशिश करते हैं।
लेकिन मधुर जी एक लड़की के लिए इतना आसान होता है कानों में झुमके पहन लिए गले में ऑर्नामेंट हाथ में एक्सेसरी बट व्हाट अबाउट गाइस हमारे
गाइस के लिए तो कुछ नहीं भाई हमको तो कुछ नहीं हम तो 2 मिनट में तैयार हो जाते कुछ भी सूट वूट पहन लिया कोट पहन लिया बाहर आ गया।
गोल्ड पहनना अच्छा नहीं लगता?
नहीं मुझे गोल्ड पहनना अच्छा नहीं लगता है बेसिकली पर्सनल तौर पे मुझे सूट नहीं करता ऐसा मुझे ऐसा खुद को लगता है तो मैंने कभी कोशिश नहीं की। मैक्सिमम ये छोटा सा मैंने एक मूंगा पहना है गोल्ड में बाकी मैं ऐसा भी गोल्ड पहना नहीं करता।
लोग आपके जो फैंस और व्यूअर्स है ऑडियंस हमेशा एक चीज को ईगर रहती है जानने के लिए कि आप कौन सी रियलिस्टिक बेस पे रियलिस्टिक मूवी करने वाले हो नेक्स्ट।
अब जल्दी अनाउंस करूंगा अभी तो वैसे अनाउंस तो कर दिए पिक्चर आपको पता है सब लोग को तो बस स्क्रिप्टिंग का काम चालू है और जल्दी घोषणा होगी इसकी। देखिए प्रियंका जी और मेरी बात हुई है स्क्रिप्ट को लेकर मैडम जी जो सब्जेक्ट है प्रियंका काफ़ी उत्साहित है सब्जेक्ट को लेकर बहुत ही कमाल का बहुत ही अलग लेवल का सब्जेक्ट है। प्रियंका और मैं हमेशा साथ में काम करना चाहते थे पोस्ट फैशन लेकिन ऐसा कोई सब्जेक्ट मिला नहीं लेकिन जब मैडम जी का सब्जेक्ट बहुत अच्छा लगा तो हम वर्कआउट करें अगर डेट्स और सब लॉजिस्टिक और मोडालिटीज़ वर्क हो जाए तो डेफिनेटली फिल्म बनाएंगे।
इसके अलावा कौन होगा
ठीक है थैंक यू।
Krisha and Gautam, on this launching of your jewelry showcase.
Thank you.
So what this jewelry collection is all about?
This jewelry collection is in communication with Mahika Mirpuri and we've launched a new collection called Jewels of the Caribbean. It also marks the launch of our new jewelry salon at Waterfield Road and the salon includes everything that's more exclusive plus everyday daily to wear as well. And we've also got also got another exclusive collection that we are not previewing to anybody and everybody here. That's why there's a separate section for that. That's how we are doing the salon.
Just talking about the name of the collection.
Yeah, Jewels of the Caribbean actually is more of a holiday collection. So it's more like you buy a piece and go on a holiday. All the pieces like you see are inspired by the jewels of the Caribbean and by the ocean. So you see there's a dolphin ring, there's a brooch. We've tried to do cufflinks. The price point of this collection is very variable and it's more for fun and you actually buy a piece and you go on your holiday. So it's more for everyday use and for every woman.
So Karishma was she was just wearing your collection.
Yes.
So who other celebrities do you think just carry the jewelry very well?
It's for everyone actually.
For us, a woman is a celebrity. So the minute she wears that jewelry from Be True, she becomes a celebrity.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.